Morning children. So today we are going to start chapter number 6, exercise 6.3. Already we have done till 6.2. So today in 6.3 question number 1. So it is given that the sides QP and the RQ of triangle PQR are produced to points S and T respectively. Angle SPR 135, angle PQT 110 degree. You are to find PRQ. So PRQ, this angle you will find. Now here the triangle is PQR. So PQR triangle. The side RQ is produced to T, extended to T, and the side QP is produced to S. Now to get this angle, so there are so many ways of doing. So you can take like this. Let us take this one as say, so angle say 1. Let us take this as 1. And you take this as 2, angle 2. You can just name it. So now this is the straight line, and that is why these are the two adjacent angles forming the straight line. So this angle plus this angle you will get 180 degree due to linear pair. You will get this angle. Then next you can add this plus this 180 degree. You will get angle 2. And at last, after getting 1 and 2, you can get the third angle using the angle sum property of the triangle. So there are so many ways of doing, or just by finding out one, that is using the linear pair axiom, you can use the exterior angle theorem. So now supposing this is the exterior angle, so this angle equals to the sum of the two adjacent interior angles. So adding these two angles, interior adjacent, you will get equals to this exterior angle. So there are so many ways of doing. So now let us begin. Here you write determination. So you have taken this angle as angle 1, and this we have taken as 2, angle 2. Now these are the two adjacent angles forming the straight line. So this plus this angle you will get 180 degree linear pair. So it is 110 degree plus angle 1. So angle 1 equals to 180 degree. So the reason is linear pair. Linear pair. Linear pair. Now this gives angle 1 equals to 180 minus, so you take this one that side 110, so equals to 70 degree. Now you got this as 70. So you got angle 1 as 70 degree. Now you need angle R, that is PRQ. So PRQ, so you need angle R. Now you got this angle, they have given this exterior angle. So this is the exterior angle. So this angle equals to the sum of the two adjacent interior angles. Supposing this is the triangle and you have just produced this. So here you got 135, here it is angle 1, and here you got R. So now the sum of the two adjacent interior angles equals to the exterior angle. So that is why this angle exterior equals to the sum of the two adjacent interior angles. So now again, so now taking these two angles, so angle 1, this one is angle 1, this one angle 1, so plus this R, so PRQ, so plus angle PRQ equals to 135 degree. This is, you have got in class 7, this it is due to the exterior angle theorem. Exterior angle theorem. So this gives angle PRQ equals to 135 minus angle 1. So minus angle 1. So 135 minus angle 1 you have got 70. So you got 70. So equals to 65 degree. 65 degree. So this is your answer. Or else how can you do second way? As you have got this plus this 180 degree linear pair, so you got angle 1. Similarly, these are the two adjacent angles. So these two angles forms the straight line. So this plus this 180 degree, you will get 2. So you got 1 and 2. Then now this is the triangle. So PQR, that is the triangle. So you add this three angle, you will get 180 degree. Then you will get this angle PRQ. That way also you can do. This is the shortcut one. So now again you see this plus this. So you got 180 degree linear pair. So you got one is 70 degrees. So you took this one that side, so you got 70. Now this is the exterior angle and these are the two adjacent interior angles. So you cannot take this the nearest adjacent angle, so you can't take the nearest one. So you will take the other two remote interior angles. So they are the farther than this angle. That is the exterior angle. So this adding these two angle, you will get equals to 135. So the reason is exterior angle theorem. So you got how much? PRQ. So you got 65 degree. Let us take question number 2. So it is given that YO and ZO are the bisectors of angle XYZ and angle XZY respectively. Angle X equals to 62 degree, angle XYZ equals to 54 degree. Now to find angle OZY and angle YOZ. So the drawing is given. X, Y, Z. And here it is given 54. Let us use these terms YO and ZO. This YO and ZO are the bisectors of angle Y. YO bisects angle Y. So this YO bisects angle Y. That is XYZ. So this XYZ. So XYZ. So this line YO bisects angle XYZ. That means this whole angle Y is divided into equal parts, that is into two equal parts. So these two parts are equal. Now they have given 54 degree XYZ is given 54 degree. So that means bisects, since this line divides this whole angle into equal parts, that is why each of the two angles will be equal. So that means dividing by 2, so you will get 27 degree each. This part and this part. So these two parts are now equal. Why? Because the line YO bisects angle XYZ. Similarly, ZO bisector of XZY. So XZY. So ZO bisects angle x, z, y. That means these two parts are equal. Why? Because ZO bisects angle x, z, y. So these two parts measurements will be equal. Now here they have given this measure of y 54, measure of x 62. You are to find OZY. So OZY, that means this angle you will find, and YOZ, you will find this angle. So these two angles you will find. So these two angles. So now how to find? So since they have given this y, angle x 62, angle xyz, so xyz, so this whole angle they have given 54 degree. So first you will find z, so by taking the angle sum property of triangle. So x plus y plus z 180 degree, you will get z. Then once you get this angle z, you will get this angle. Why? Because these two parts are equal, as OZ bisects angle z. That means these two parts are equally divided by the bisector OZ. Bisector means the line that divides that particular angle. So that is why this is called the bisector OZ, bisector. So this OZ divides this whole angle Z, this angle Z into two equal parts. So that is why by using the angle sum property, you will get Z. Then you take half of this, you will get OZY. Then you take half of this 54, you will get OYZ. Because here YO bisect angle XYZ, which means these two angles will be equal. So you will divide 54 by 2, you will get 27. Then you go to the triangle YOZ. So this angle plus this angle plus this angle, 180 degree. So you got y and z. Then you will get finally YOZ. So now let's begin. So in triangle XYZ, so XYZ, angle x plus angle y plus angle z equals to 180 degree. This is due to angle sum property. Angle sum property of a triangle. That means the sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So now here x is given 62. So here x is given 62. So it will be 62 degree plus angle y. So here x, y, z, that means y. Y is given 54. So in place of y, 54 plus angle z, 180. So now here you will get 160 plus angle z is equal to 180 degree. So this gives angle z is equal to 180 minus 160. So you have got here 4, then 7 minus 1, it is 6. 64. So you got the measure of angle z, that is angle z is 64 degrees. So angle z is 64. So now you need angle OZY. So OZY. How much? So this OZ bisector of this angle. So these two angles will be divided into two equal parts. So the whole angle is 64. So you divide by 2, you will get the measure of this. So these two parts will be same. So therefore angle OZY is equal to half of angle Z. So this Z. Since OZ bisects angle XZY. So XZY. So XZ, this line bisects angle XZY. So now that is why these two parts, each of these two parts, this part and this part, will be half of this whole angle. So equals to half into 64 degree. So you will get 32 degree. So you got here, 32. 32. So here also it is the same 32. Now here they have given this angle. So now OY bisect angle XYZ, which means these two measurements will be equal because this line OY is the bisector. So dividing this angle Y into two equal halves. So it will be 27, 27. So 27 plus 27, 54. So again angle OYZ is equal to half of angle Y, since OY bisects angle XYZ. So you got, this implies angle OYZ is equal to half into, so Y. So Y you got here, Y is given 54. So 54 degree. So you got 27 degrees. So this one you got 27. And this also now it is 27. These two parts are now equal because this is the bisector of this angle. Now you need Y or Z. So since you got in this triangle, you got this part 27, this angle you got 32. Then to get this angle, you will use the angle sum property of a triangle. In triangle YOZ, angle OYZ, so this angle plus angle OZY, so this plus this angle YOZ plus angle YOZ, so YOZ is equal to 180 degree. It is also due to angle sum property. So this gives OYZ, you got 27. So you will write 27 plus OZY. OZY you have got 32 plus YOZ is equal to 180 degree. So this gives, it will be 9, it will be 5. 59 plus angle YOZ is equal to 180. So this gives angle YOZ equals to 180 minus 59. You will get here 1, so it will be 121 degree. So your one of the measure is this 27 OYZ you need 27 degree and angle YOZ 121 degree. Let us take the next one, question number 3. So it is given that AB is parallel to D, angle BAC equals to 35 degree, angle CDE equals to 53 degree. To find angle DCE. The figure is given given it is given that AB is parallel to DE. So the line AB parallel to the line DE. So these two lines are parallel. So now if the line AB is parallel to the line DE, this is line DE, and then this is line AB. So intersected by the line, say AE. So it is AE. Now here they have given 35 degree. Now it is given that AB is parallel to DE. So these two lines are parallel. So now here they have given 35 degree. Then how much will be this angle? So by the concept of the parallel lines, two lines are said to be parallel if either one of the conditions exists. First one, if either a pair of alternate angles are equal, or a pair of corresponding angles are equal, or if the sum of the adjacent interior angle is supplementary. So out of this any three condition, one of the condition must exist. So here now they have given that AB is parallel to DE, so the lines are parallel. In that case, these two angles will be equal because they form a pair of alternate interior angles, alternate. So this angle equals to this angle. Why? Because AB is parallel to DE. So it is given AB is parallel to DE. As such, these two angles are equal because they form a pair of alternate interior angles. So here this angle, so CED, that means angle is E. So this angle equals to this angle. So these two angles are equal. It is due to alternate. So now AB is parallel to DE, and the line AE intersect the line DE and the line AB at E and A respectively. So now these two angles are equal. Why? Because they form a pair of alternate interior angles. Alternate. So angle CED. So angle is E. So angle is E. CED equals to 35 degree. It is alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Next is, now here they have given CDE 53. So CDE 53 degree. You are to find DCE. So DCE. So this angle you will find. So now you got this as 35 degree. So to get this angle, so now this is a triangle. So the sum of these three angles will be 180 degree. So you will get this angle. So you got this angle how? Due to alternate interior, and they have given this angle as 53 degree. So by adding these two, subtract from the total sum, you will get this angle DCE. Now in triangle DCE, so DCE, angle CDE, that is angle D, angle E, angle CED, so CED plus angle DCE, so DCE equals to 180 degree. So the reason is angle sum property. Angle sum property of a triangle, symbolic triangle, symbol. So angle sum property of a triangle. Now CDE, so here D is given 53. So 53 degree plus angle E is given 35 plus DCE. equals to 180. So here you got 88 plus angle DCE, so equals to 180. So this gives angle DCE equals to 180 minus 88. So here you will get 2, it will be 92 degree. 92. So this measurement is 92 degree. So it is very simple. So as these two lines are given as parallel lines, that is why these two angles are equal, because they form a pair of alternate interior angles. Now this angle is given. So to get this third angle, so from this whole triangle, the total sum is 180 degree. Subtract these two measures, you will get the third angle. That is angle DCE. I'll be doing now the number 5. Given PQ perpendicular to PS and PQ parallel to SR, angle SQR equals to 28 degree, angle QRT equals 65 degree. 65. To find values of x and y, values of x and y. Now, so it is given that PQ is perpendicular to PS. So this line, these two lines. So this PQ is perpendicular to PS. So this angle is 90 degree. So then PQ is parallel to SR. So PQ is parallel to SR. That means SR is produced to point T. That means PQ is also parallel to ST. Here they have given that PQ is parallel to SR, but the line SR is produced to T. That means PQ is also parallel to ST. Now here they have given us to find values of x and y. So these two angles, this is x, this is y. You have to find these two measures. And here this angle is given 28 degree and this one is given 65 degree. Now here it is 90 degree. Now, how to get? So, let us take the concept of the parallel lines. So, this line PQ and the line ST. So, this is PQ and this is ST and this line is QR. So, here it is given 65 degree. 65. So, now as the line PQ is parallel to SR, so the line PQ is parallel to SR, that means ST, we can say ST. So, now that means this angle equals to this angle, because this line is parallel to the line ST or SR produced to T. So this line is parallel to this line, so intersected by the line QR. So these are the two alternate interior angles. That means PQR. So PQR. So this angle equals to QRT. So this angle measures equals to 65 due to alternate interior angles. But one more, since these two lines are not parallel lines, QR is not parallel to PS. Here they have not given. These two lines are not given as parallel lines. That is why we can say that this equals to this. So this cannot be equal because the lines are not parallel. Had the lines been parallel, in that case they will form a pair of alternate interior angles. If the lines were parallel, but they have not given that these two lines are parallel, that is why there is no connection between these two angles. So they are not equal. But now this line is parallel to this line intersected by the line QR. So this angle equals to 65 degree. So they form a pair of alternate interior angles. So now here PQ is parallel to SR. So it is given. So it is given. So if PQ is parallel to SR, that means PQ is parallel to ST also. That means. So that means if these two lines are parallel, then this line intersect these two lines at Q and R. So these two angles are equal. Why? Because they form a pair of alternate interior angles. So this angle equals to 65. So angle PQR equals to 65 degree. PQR. So this angle equals to this 65 degree. It is alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. So now angle PQR. So angle PQR. So PQR, that means x plus 28. So this angle, how to get? Angle x plus 28, you will get PQR. So x plus 28. So in place of angle PQR, you will write x plus 28 equals to 65 degree. So x equals to 65 degree minus 28. So you have got here 7, then here it will be 37 degrees. So you got this value as 37 degree. 37. Now you need y. So this is a triangle PQS. This is a triangle. PQS is a triangle. Here it is given as 90 degree perpendicular. So it is given. So it is 90. You have got x. So this angle plus this angle plus this, you will get 180, and then you will get y, because 90 is given and you got x as 37 degrees. So you can easily get the value of the third angle, that is angle y. So in triangle PQS, x plus y, so this is x, this is y, so this is the triangle is this, so plus 90 degree, so here it is given 90, so equals to 180 degree. So it is angle sum property. So angle sum property of a triangle, So here x is given as, so in x you got 37, and y you will find plus 90 equals to 180. So you solve it, you will get it. So this gives, it will be 7, so it will be 12 equals to 180. So plus y. So you will get y equals to 180 minus 127. So you will get here 3, 7 minus 1, 53. So you got 53. So x you got 37 degree, angle y you have got 53 degree, just by simplification. So it's very simple. So the main point is, as these two lines are given as parallel lines, so these two lines are the parallel lines, that is why this angle equals to 65 degree. So they form a pair of alternate interior angles, and in this angle is the sum of the two angles. Angle x plus 28, you will get PQR equals to 65. Then you have got x. So here it is given 90 degree, perpendicular symbol is given, so it is 90 degree. So this is the triangle. So adding this triangle, you have got 180. Then you have got this third angle, that is y, angle y. Let us take one sum, textbook example. Textbook example, that is page 106. So here, let us take one symbol. Given QT perpendicular to PR, angle TQR equals to 40 degree, angle SPR equals to 30 degree. 30. To find values of x and y. So this one I have given you from the textbook example. So here now they have given that QT is perpendicular to PR. So these two lines perpendicular. So here both sides you will get 90 degree perpendicular. So Q2 is perpendicular to PR. So here both the sides, so it is the 90 degree. So here it is given that 30 degree this part, that is SPT, it is given 30 degree, and TQR, so it is given 40 degree. You are to find this measure, that is angle Y, angle X. So in this type of drawing, since this is a triangle, you can do it multiple ways. So whichever way you like, you can do. You can use those previous concepts of class 7, so class 8, you can do in so many ways. So now here, so you see this is a triangle, so QTR, this is a triangle. So this angle, so here it is given 90 degree, perpendicular is given, Q2 is perpendicular to PR, so it is 90, 90. So it is 40 degree, it is 90, and this one. So this is a triangle. So sum of these three angles you will get 180 degree. So you will get X. Then next, to get this Y, you can do it in this way, that it is given this way. So it is S, it is Y, and this is the triangle. It is P, it is R, here it is given X. So by doing this triangle, that is QTR, you have got X because you have used the angle sum property of the triangle. Here it is given 40 degree, 90, 130, so you will get here 50 degree. Now you need this Y, so here this is Y, and here it is given 30 degree. So here the side RS is produced to Q, forming this exterior angle, that is Y, exterior angle Y. The side RS produced to Q, then you have seen this Y is outside the triangle, that is this angle is from outside the triangle, so this will be the exterior angle. So the measure of an exterior angle equal to the sum of the two removed interior. These are the interior angles inside the triangle, and they are far from this exterior angle. So you add these two angles interior, that will be equal to this exterior angle. As a result, since you got X 50 degree, 50 plus 30, you will get this measure of Y using the exterior angle theorem. So here, determination in triangle QTR. So this is the triangle. So it is given 40 degree. So this angle is given 40 degree. 40 plus here it is given 90. So it is given the QT is perpendicular to here. So perpendicular 90. So 40 degree plus 90 plus angle X. So X, angle X equals to 180. So due to angle sum property of a triangle, So this gives 130 plus angle X equals to 180. So this gives angle X equals to 50 degree. Taking this one that side, so you will get 50 degree. So this one you got 50. Now you just think that this one is not there. Just think that this one is not here. Just you assume that now this is the triangle PSR. You have got X 50 degree. Say this one is 50. Now this is the triangle, and this side RS is produced to point, say, Q. So forming this exterior angle. So this is the exterior angle. So this angle equates to the sum of the two remote interior angles. Remote means far from this angle. So this one is the interior, but that is the nearest one. So this angle you will take the other two remote interior. Interior means they lie inside the triangle, but this one lies outside the triangle. That is why this is called exterior, that is outside. These are the two adjacent interiors. So now again angle Y is equal to 30 plus here was X plus angle X. It is exterior angle theorem. You have got this concept in class 7. So this gives angle Y equals to 30 plus angle X, it is 50. So you have got 80 degree. So there is one more sum in this. That sum I will do in the next class. So with this we have come to the end of this class today. Thank you.